everybody. In today's video, we are breaking down the blog feature in Squarespace. I want to walk through with you today how to build a blog on Squarespace and some of the trickier components that I keep hearing come up when it comes to how to upload a thumbnail image or how to just make sure it looks the best on the page or how to even edit the blog, because in 7.1 I know it's a little trickier with where to find some things. So let's jump on a screen share and dive in. So a common question I have is blog thumbnails. How do you get the thumbnail to show up on the blog summary page? So when we create a blog, we're going to click here, blog, and then it has some layouts for you. Let's just do this one. So here is our new blog, blog 2. I hit enter and it shows me all of my posts. So right now everything is built in, right? If we want to make our own post, we're going to hit the plus, and then this is where we're going to adjust the content on the page. New title, new text. It has so this is what my profile looks like within Squarespace. So it's pulling the information that I have uploaded into Squarespace right now, and I'll show you how to remove that. So here when we click the pencil, this is going to remove some of that. So here's my author profile. I don't want that on this one. Author name, remove, date, done. We don't have a category yet, so it won't change that. But if we wanted to change the location of the metadata, it would go down here. Text alignment, left or center. Content width, this is how wide you want it across the page. And then colors. So your default theme is just black and white, but if you wanted to use the colors that you have either uploaded into the template or changed based on an image or picked custom colors, this is where you would kind of play around with that looks like. I'm going to go back to default theme, black and white. So that's how we'd format a lot of that information. One more that we missed, header spacing. So depending on how far down you want the text to be. When I click this gear here, this is going to open up even more options for you when it comes to your blog, and this is where that thumbnail piece comes in. So here are your categories. I'm going to create a category, new post. Click, there it is. Comments, draft, it's draft form right now. So here in our options, this is where that thumbnail image is. So if we have an image down here that we want to use, let's use this beach picture, that is going to load. This is where you will change your author. So if you have more than one permission on your site, and that's in your settings tab, right now it's just me, but if I had, two other people, if I had Bob and Jenna on the site, I would give them permission, and there are various different levels of permissions, but they would pop up as authors as well. This is my post URL. That looks crazy. Maybe this is a beach post. We'll just leave it at that. Excerpt, and I'll show you where that will appear. And then back over here to content, this is where you can add text, just like we were editing before we clicked the gear. Same deal here. You can add an image, add text. Maybe we want that image on the page as well, on the post. So we'll let that load. And then you just want to kind of follow through here. So SEO, right now there's no title showing. So maybe that's new post or whatever we named it. Social, this is what it will look like when you post the URL, which looks awesome. Share, you can go right into your email campaigns and create a draft, or you can connect Facebook and push to it there. Location, don't need to worry about that. So if I hit apply, there's our image. If we wanted to, so if that image is huge, there's two ways to size that. You could put a spacer on each end and change the size that way. Or we can go back into this pencil and pick the content width. So to make it narrow, medium, wide. And it looks like it's not keeping up with me on the page here. But that's how you would change the width of your text and images and title and everything. If I hit save here and we go back to that landing page for the blog, oh, here it is right here. This is a good lesson. We want to make sure that all of our articles are published. So if we look here, it's still in draft mode. So I'm going to have to publish that. Click edit, and then we'll click the gear again, right here, published. Now you can also schedule it, or you can mark it as needs review. So if you had someone else with permissions on your site, and it would flag it for them. But we're going to publish it, hit apply, save. Now we're going to go back to that blog 2 page, and there it is. I hope you got a ton of value out of that walkthrough, and I hope it's something that you feel comfortable enough to go action right away. You know, we are here to serve you best, so please comment below how we can best serve you by creating videos that can help you run your website, help you make more money, and help you save time. Now, if you are a business and you are stuck, that's what we're here for. That's what we love to do. So email us. You can find us, our email in the description below. Let us know how we can help serve you best. But other than that, do me a huge favor, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss another video, because we are working hard over here to produce a ton of great stuff for you. So thank you for being here. Again, I'm Elizabeth Muller with Bloom Creative Company, a Squarespace design agency, and we'll see you on the next video.